Realize the real laws of Depp versus Heard case.
I'll bet you scream before I do.
Johnny Depp and Amber Heard are currently duking it out in court after Depp sued her for defamation. Since then, their social lives have been anything but a smooth ride. Now let's start from the beginning. After the couple met on set of the movie The Rum Diary, they got married after dating for 3 years. First conflict was in 2016 when Amber filed for divorce. Neither party has made false accusations for financial gain, the couple stated. Their chapter ended in 2017. In 2018, Depp sues The Sun newspaper for the headline, "Gone Potty. How can J.K. Rowling be genuinely happy casting wife-beater Johnny Depp in the new Fantastic Beasts?" Same year, Heard publishes an op-ed in the Washington Post talking about sexual violence and harassment, although she didn't mention Johnny's name.
It was like somebody had hit me in the back of the head with a 2x4.
But it became the basis of the $50 million lawsuit, naming Heard the defendant in 2019. In 2020, after Depp lost the case with The Sun, Heard filed a $100 million countersuit accusing him of allegedly orchestrating a smear campaign against her. Now all that brings us to April 11th, their first trial. There are some notable accusations from both parties. Defecation on bed, finger being chopped off, really weird stuff.
No, that's ridiculous.
But we're going to break it into legal points and the penalties each party must face, if each can prove the accusations, of course. The most critical accusations alleged by Johnny Depp and Amber Heard are as follows. In-house violence, Johnny Depp's finger being cut off, getting threatened for both of them via texts. Let's just hold it for a moment here. Since the trial is being held in Virginia, we have to make sure we know about the law over there. The main parts we have to be aware of are Class 3 felonies and Class 6 felonies. Now, Class 3 felonies include shooting and stabbing with intent to maim or kill, while cutting the finger is a Class 3 felony. Now, Class 6. Threats of death or bodily injury to a person or a member of his family. Threats of death or bodily injury to persons on school property. Threats of death or bodily injury to healthcare providers. Penalty. In this couple's case, in-house violence and death threats they both had within their audio messages and texts are Class 6 felony. For Class 3 felonies, the punishment is in the middle range. If convicted, you will face 5 to 20 years in prison and up to $100,000. Although the fine is not mandatory. For Class 6 felonies now, one of the most standard repercussions is time in prison, which ranges from 1 to 5 years. You cannot serve less than 12 months, nor more than 5 years. You may also be expected to pay a fine that can range up to a maximum of $2,500. Now, after all of these, there will be more evidence from both sides. There will be witnesses and documents. But I think we all know who is going to win this, don't we? Guess in the comments. We will be having weekly updates and analyzing the trial until the end. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you won't miss it. Our mission is to make it easy for you, legally.